Hello, my friends, and thank you so much for tuning back in with us, Latisha McKinney and family. We are so excited to be talking about our second vlog concerning this event that will be taking place in August. I'm so excited about it. Now, in this video, we'll be going over some tips and some tricks that you all can do when it comes down to events like this. So let's get started. Now, for everyone that have seen that video, you remember towards the end, this whole parking lot was full of cars. And I know you got your eye on that train. Like, what are you guys going to do if the train gets stuck on the track? Got something for you towards the end of the video. But what we're going to be doing is going back into the actual venue and go over some things that we will be doing different to this actual facility. This is going to be a huge transformation. We are going to take this beautiful, elegant, just stunning place and make it out of a birthday party for twins. That's what we're doing. This is so elegant. They want to make sure that it's a very elegant yet simplistic birthday party for their children. So we want to make sure that we bring that to life. We have decided to leave the drapes up there because it will stand out very beautifully the way that we're going to do it when the clients come in, and also when the guests come in as well, because our clients want it to be a surprise for them as well. So this time, Chris is with me, my husband. He wanted to get the actual dimensions of everything, especially when I did the mock-up, with the ceilings being so high. So we came up with this fantastic idea in order to keep the drapes up there and also to do one of the backdrops that I know that's going to be so stunning for our clients. I'm going to let you all know the ceiling does not look high at all in this video. I'm serious. So when Chris walked in there, he looked up, he was like, Tisha, really? Tisha, really? But guess what? Chris got it. They really got this thing down packed. It is going to be fantastic. And we are going to take you along the journey so you all can get some fantastic ideas if you ever come across things like this. I want you all to remember this, the wall. Remember this wall, everyone, because we are going to do something totally different with this wall, and is something that they especially want done for their kids. So remember, when we show you the final reveal, you're going to be shocked. I know you guys are. On our website, we have free templates for you all, and we are still doing some more templates. We pray that it is a blessing to you and your business. Now, our family know it can be overwhelming with getting your business off of the ground and everything in that nature, trying to know how many people to sit to each table, how many chairs, the dimensions of this, the dimensions of that. It can be overwhelming for your first time. Our first event as a family was 400 people. So imagine how overwhelming that was. So our client decided to go with the white spandex with these chairs because she didn't want to do anything fancy because it's just for kids. So you need to know like your do's and your don'ts when it comes down to kids' parties, weddings, and special events. Remember, they were still doing some construction on the other side, and I just want to share with you all the final reveal of it. It is so absolutely beautiful. They have the beautiful chandeliers and things like that. It still has that rustic, beautiful look as well. So let me show you all how it looks. Look at that. It is so gorgeous. They were so excited to share with us how it looks. I am so stunned with the beautiful drapes because you can just use that blackout curtains in order to have more of an ambience look. Looking at it from that angle, that was beautiful. Very, very gorgeous. Look at this. So absolutely stunning. This is going to be a very, very lovely event that I am very excited about. Check out that chandelier. You all know I am so obsessed with that. They're still getting some things ready because they was doing an event the next day. So that was understandable with the tables out. Now, remember, we had our eyes on that train, right? So this is something we're going to have on our site as well. It's going to be a free template with some of the things that you want to ask, when you're dealing with the location you're going to have the event at. Now, with the train being on the track, she already let me know in advance that Miss Latisha is going to be a train probably on the track, and it be stuck for about 30 minutes. My husband and I, we do not like to be late for any events at all. She already let me know, hey, this is another route that you can go in order to get to our facility. So I was just so thankful that she told me that, because that's the route that the clients and also they guests can go for this event. Now with the parking, you see no one is out here. She gave us a time when all the cars are actually gone. I mean, these people are so wonderful. And when our clients came there that day, it was no cars. The train was on the track. All I did was just have to take them the route that they told me to go. So you all make sure that you ask them all the questions that is going to be on that actual list. This is the other route that we were going. We did not go the train way where the train was. We actually went the other route. So I thank you all for tuning in with us, Latisha McKinney and family. And we all will see you all in the next vlog that we will be doing with this event. Thank you so much for tuning in with us. Blessings.